Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python Skype. Today we are going to learn about sending the text messages to the users. Now we are going to do how to send the text messages to the users, then to groups. Okay, so those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all let's copy this, and this is a function to send the message to the individual user. So let's copy this function and add this into our code. Okay, so first we are getting the chat IDs. So this is the chat IDs function. So and here you can see send message to the user, username and the message. Okay, so you Skype username. So we have the chat ID. So let's try to use this chat ID. So this is the chat ID that I'm going to chat with. So just copy with this full-fledged on. This is our username. Okay, or the chat ID. Just copy and paste this. Okay, this is otherwise the username would be this one, not live, but the chat ID will work, I think. Okay, so username and the message. Okay, so I'm going to chat with this user. Okay, let's try to save this. I'm not going to print the chat IDs again, so let's comment this. Okay, and let's try to run this to send the hello. This is an automated message. Okay, so let's try to run, and let's go and check the Skype. Hello, this is an automated message. It printed. Here you can see, and this is my ID. This is the ID that we have the chat with. This one is user. So this is how you are able to send the message, right? Okay, so what the function to send the message to the individual user. So this is the function with expects two parameters, that is username and the message. So this arguments, right? So ski dot contacts username, so you have to get the username, and then user dot chat, and then chat dot send message will help you to send the message to the particular individual user. Okay, any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. In the next video we are going to send the message to the group. Okay, so be with me. Thank you so much. Have a great day.